Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create Epic Game account. So first of all, open your any browser. Now I'm opening my Google Chrome browser. Go to search option, type here to scroll down, select the sign in option. Type here your email address. If you want to connect Facebook, Steam, Google, Apple, click on to continue. Choose your date of birth. After that, click on continue. Select your country. Type here your name. Choose the display name and set up your strong password. And then finally click on to continue. And you need to just verify your email. Okay, click on verify email. And if you want to set up any more, change name, username and everything. I hope if you want to follow my all process very carefully, then you can easily create this account. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.